In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Alt+Space shortcut to open Copilot. If you want to stop Copilot from launching when you press Alt and Space, the good news is that this is very quick to change, and you can do it directly from the Copilot app settings. I'll walk you through the full process so it's easy to follow and you know exactly where to find the option. To begin, open the Copilot app on your computer. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon or profile section to open the menu connected to your account and app options. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to the part of Copilot where you can control how the app behaves, including launch preferences and shortcut settings. If you don't immediately see the option we need, don't worry. Just stay in the Settings area and look for the section called Preferences. Under Preferences, find the setting labeled Use Alt+Space to launch Copilot. This is the option that controls whether that keyboard shortcut will open the app. If it's currently enabled, that means pressing Alt and Space can trigger Copilot to appear, which may be inconvenient if you use that shortcut for something else or just don't want it active. Next to that setting, you should see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down, and from the list of available choices, select None. Choosing None disables that keyboard shortcut, so Alt+Space will no longer be used to launch Copilot. Once you select None, the change should take effect right away. In most cases, you won't need to restart the app or your computer. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want fewer accidental launches or a cleaner keyboard workflow. And that's it. That's how you remove the Alt+Space shortcut for opening Copilot. If you ever want to turn it back on later, just return to the same settings page, go to Preferences and change the shortcut setting again. This is a small adjustment, but it's useful if you want more control over how Copilot opens and how your keyboard shortcuts behave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.